Hello YouTube! In this short video we will service the 3dfx Voodoo 3 3000 graphics accelerator before installing it into the retro gaming machine. As you can see, I have already replaced the original spring-loaded pins on screw nuts and screws. Now it's time to install the additional backplate radiator. This step is efficient for cooling as far as graphics chip has a plastic package and transmits the similar amount of heat in both of directions, to the top radiator and to the underlying PCB. Also, back radiator prevents deformation of PCB and makes cooling system more gentle for such rare 3dfx Voodoo 3 card. This common green radiator will be placed here on the back of the GPU. Voodoo has extraordinary narrow distance between mounting holes, so I had to pierce the radiator with the needle file. You can compare sizes with the white aluminum one. You can see round holes of white radiator through the elliptic holes of green. A little bit closer look. It's time to mount cooling system. To prevent short circuit between radiator and PCB, I put between some thermal pads from that newer graphics card. Seems like we need some fun here. No, I say no. We can make card running cooler without it. How? See in the part number 4. Here it is. Nice and shiny 3dfx Voodoo 3 card in all its glory. Let's check out how hot is it running in the next video. Thank you for watching.